Okay. Asan yung phone mo?
You have a very nice balut here.
You put salt.
That's the hard part.
Oh yeah? Where's the chick? Oh. You ate the chick already? Oh gosh. Is it good?
Very good.
So you love Filipino balut?
Of course.
With a beer, with the Spanish beer, it's supposed to be Filipino beer.
We don't have.
San Miguel beer.
You have to be happy with the little things.
It's a pity it's not orange.
Almost. It's a little bit too hard.
Oh, see? Really?
Normally it's much softer.
Yeah. But the taste is different. The same. The taste is still.
Then it's the same.
It's a German restaurant.